What's up guys, this is Jared Culp. Welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the best budget gaming PC on the market. So you can buy this one on Amazon. I'll be showing it here in just a second. This thing is amazing for gamers. It is in the beginning and the mid category of computers, gaming PCs. So let's bring it on and show it to you right now. So right here it is guys, a little big on the camera, but let's hit the on button and see what it does. Just like that, boots right up. So this thing is amazing. It doesn't have a 3050 or a 3060, but it has a 3070 in it. This thing is amazing. It will do any game you need. It does. I've played Valorant, Fortnite, I've played Rocket League, I've played Call of Duty, all those games, Minecraft, anyway. And this thing is amazing. You can basically play any game you want with it, and it'll handle it for you. Now, what I have in here right now, you can see that RGB sticks, they have LED lights on them. Those are an additional ones I put in there. The ones that come with it are 16 gigabytes, and I upgraded to 32 gigabytes. I will link those in the description down below, so you can get those for yourself if you want them. And then also we have the cooler. I put a new cooler in here. It had a great one. It's basically the same as this one, but I'll link this one down in the description down below too if you want to get that one. And oh no, this baby doesn't have 50 gigabytes of storage. This thing has 1 terabyte of storage, which is amazing for any game you do. It handles everything I ever do, which is amazing. Like I've had it over a year by now, downloaded so many games. It's only like halfway used up, so definitely make sure to get this. Definitely worth it. This computer is $1,800 on Amazon right now. So I will link it in the description down below, so make sure to get it for yourself. This thing has a P1 650 gold power supply right down here. You can see this guy right there. Let me put it up so you can see it right down there in the corner. That's the whole thing right here. So that's what it is. That is the power supply. Very, very good. This thing has 3 HDMI ports. So 2 in the graphics card and then 1 up here in the motherboard. So you can have 3 monitors running off this thing, which is amazing. A lot of computers can't do it, and this one can. A lot of these RGBs right here it has, just makes it feel more like a gaming PC than anything else. So now that we've went over the PC, I'm gonna bring out some accessories that you can use that are very essential for this gaming PC. So let's bring them on right now. All right guys, so this is a SD card holder right here. You can see that. And this thing holds a massive one. And if you're doing videoing like I am right here, you can put your SD card in here, plug it right in with a USB right into the computer, and then you can look at the files right and move them right to your computer and edit them. So this thing is amazing. And here's another thing. I don't have the Razer keyboard. I use a different keyboard. I will link the Razer keyboard and this Razer mouse down in the description down below. This thing is wireless. Very nice for gaming. Since you move your hand all around, you're gaming, it's very nice. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, I will link this computer and all the accessories I said down in the description down below. And if you have enjoyed this, make sure to share it with a friend, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one.